we're going to cut them into spears. Now, let's smash our garlic. So stuff our jar. We're putting pickle spice. Put some dill and garlic. Time to put in the pickles. Really smooth. Like how I am doing. Now we're gonna make our brine. First some water. Then the vinegar. Then salt. Cook until the salt and sugar melt. Now the brine's cold. Now we can put it in our jars.
About a week.
For about a week.